Welcome back, everyone. So this year my wife and I have decided we're gonna do some raised bed gardens, and what I built here is out of galvanized roofing and some 2x4s, and I also did on the 2x4s, they are not pressure treated, so the black is actually scorching it. We added a layer of carbon on it to help it last longer, but we just took regular plain sheet metal like that, roofing, galvanized roofing, and 2x4s and cut them and put them together, and we have this. So we have a few of them already in the garden area, and we have started to fill them. As you can see, these are 26.5 inches tall, so we wanted them a little bit on the tall side. So we're doing a layering technique. There's a German word for it. I'm not sure what it's called, but some people call it lasagna gardening, layering. So we took a bunch of old stumps where we cut down these trees. We also have some mulch piles, as you can see, on the rest of the yard, and we also have our compost bins all the way over there. We're gonna, once we get it just about a foot from the top, we're going to or I'm sorry, 6 inches from the top with the compost. Then we're going to take that, all that mulch that we have sitting over there, and start putting some on top, and then we're going to throw some plants in. But this year we have enough to do so far 6 of these raised beds, approximately $75 in each one of them. And I'm actually going to take one set and cut the metal in half and make them 1 foot raised beds for our corn and some okra and some of the taller vegetables. So I will actually do a video on how I build these in the coming days. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Hope everyone has a fantastic Sunday.